Congratulations on getting your new Mi Box. Let's get you set up. Plug one end of the power cable into your Mi Box and the other end into a power outlet. Your Mi Box will turn on as soon as it's plugged in. Next, connect the Mi Box to your TV with the included HDMI cable. Don't forget to put the batteries in the remote. Pair the remote with your Mi Box. Hold the remote close to your Mi Box and press and hold the back and O button until you hear a beep. Use the navigation pad to select a language and hit the center button to confirm. Hit yes to quickly set up your Mi Box with an Android device. Go to the Google search box on your phone or tablet's home screen. Simply say, "Okay Google, set up my device." Select your Mi Box from the list that shows on your phone. Make sure the codes that display on your phone and your TV match, and hit next. Choose a Wi-Fi network for your Mi Box to connect to. Copy your Google account to your Mi Box to access all of your favorite music, movies, and other apps. Finish setup with the Mi Remote. Great! Hit finish to start using your Mi Box. The Mi Box homepage is organized in a series of rows. The first row features suggested content and apps based on your viewing habits. The second row is Mi Selection. Watch all popular channels from Netflix to HBO Go. Make sure to update your Mi Box in settings to enjoy the latest features and improvements.